Hey, good morning, South Park. Your boy Anderson here, coming at you. Now, listen, today we're going to take our quiz. You're going to send it to me because you're going to check it in as an assignment. Do you understand? You're going to send it to me. If something goofy happens, it's totally okay. Your assignment is going to be for Thursday and Friday, so it's going to be the same assignment for Thursday and Friday. I'm going to just send out the same video for Thursday as I do for Friday. I want you to do your answer key or your answer sheet on the electronic answer form. If you cannot do that, just make a number 1 through 20, and just do a regular Google sheet and send it to me electronically through the email. If you can't do that, fill it out on a sheet of paper and mail it to the school. I will eventually get it. If you're going to do that, just email me so I know I have to go to the school and get it. All right, here we go. Number 1, any contamination of planet Earth. Yes, you can use your notes. Number 1, any contamination of planet Earth. Just type it in. Spelling does not count because you should know how to spell all these words. You have your notes and the internet right there in front of you. Number 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4 all go together. They all go together. Now, if you're going to do electronically, just put a little star by 2, 3, and 4. If you're doing it by paper, circle it. If you're making your own sheet, put a little star right beside it. 3 types of environmental issues. 3 types of environmental issues. There are 3 of them. Put one down for number 2, one down for 3, and one down for 4, just like how we do every day in class. 3 types of environmental issues. Number 5. I'll slow down. So number 1 is contamination of planet Earth is called what? Number 2, 3, and 4, they all go together. 3 types of environmental issues. What are they? Number 5. The practice of fish farming is called what? The practice of fish farming is called what? Number 1, contamination of planet Earth. 2, 3, 4, 3 types of environmental issues. Number 5, the practice of fish farming. Number 6. Any resource that can only be used once is called what? Any resource that can only be used once is called what? Saw a mark up there on the ceiling. I'm starting to lose my mind. Number 6, any resource that can only be used once. 7, 8, 9. Once again, it's one question. There's 3 separate answers. One question, 3 separate answers. 3 reasons why the population is still growing. There are 3 reasons why the population is still growing. In any order, put one on number 7, one on 8, one on 9. All right. Number 1, contamination of planet Earth. 2, 3, 4, 3 types of environmental issues. Number 5, the practice of fish farming. Number 6, any resource that can be used only once. 7, 8, 9, once again, these 3 go together. Put a plus beside each of them so you know, or circle them, however you want to do it. 3 reasons why the population is growing. Once again, while I switch over to the next page, this is not due until Friday night. So you have all day Thursday, all day Friday. Get it to me Friday night. Number 10, she was an environmentalist from our city of Pittsburgh. And she wrote a book called Silent Spring that told the effects of chemical DDT. She was from Pittsburgh, she was an environmentalist, and she wrote a book called Silent Spring. Okay, big question. Put a star beside 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Put a star besides 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What are the 5 types of pollution? In any order, what are the 5 types of pollution? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They all go together. What are the 5 types of pollution? Yes, you can use your notes. Number 16, forests contain blank. It's right in your notes. It was a question right in your notes. Forests contain what? Forests contain what? So number 10, she was environmentalist. She was from the city of Pittsburgh. She wrote the book Silent Spring. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 types of pollution. Number 16, forests contain what? Number 17, this might be 3, 4, 5 words you have to type out. Why are forests considered renewable? Why are forests considered renewable? Number 17, why are forests considered renewable? Why are forests or trees considered renewable? Hi, Emily. Hi, Ferguson. Hi, Beckett. How's everybody doing? How's everybody? Good, hopefully. Number 18, cutting down all the trees is called what? Cutting down all the trees is called what? Number 18, cutting down all trees is called what? Hi, little Beck. How you doing? Kenny Cunningham, you behaving? You better. You know, I'll call your mother. How's your grandma, Kenny? Hopefully fine. Adrian, how you doing? How's your mom? Hopefully good. Number 19, when you catch fish, so if you're out in the ocean, if you're catching the fish faster than they can reproduce, this is called what? Cam Caldwell, how you doing? When you're catching fish faster than they can reproduce, this is called what? Put it down for number 19. Number 20. Number 20. Hi, Stephanie from my homeroom. Number 20. Cutting down only some of the trees. When you cut down only some of the trees, what is this called? When you cut down only some of these trees, what do we call this? I'm looking at myself in this camera. I need a haircut bad. It's looking bad. Look at all the gray on the side. Look at that. I feel old. All right. So number 18, cutting down all trees. Number 19, when you catch fish faster than they can reproduce. Number 20, cutting down some trees. All right. So let's just go over this real quick. Number 1, any contamination of planet Earth. 2, 3, and 4, 3 types of environmental issues. Number 5, the practice of fish farming. Number 6, any resource that can be used only once. Number 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 3 reasons why the population is still growing. Number 10, she was an environmentalist. She was from the city of Pittsburgh, and she wrote the book Silent Spring. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 types of pollution. 5 types of pollution. Number 16, forests contain what? Forests contain what? Number 12, why are trees or forests considered renewable? Why are trees or forests considered renewable? Number 18, cutting down all trees. Number 19, when you catch fish faster than they can reproduce. And number 20, cutting down some trees. Okay, once again, listen up. First time we're doing a test. Try your best. Do the answer key online if you can for the 1 through 20 on the quiz form. If you can find that, great. If not, just type out the answers as we go. If you really can't do it, mail it to school. The school address is 2500 Stewart Road, Stewart, Stewart Road, South Park, PA. And just put Anderson and put Anderson-quiz. So mail it to me. If you're going to mail it to me, email me tomorrow or Friday, just so I know. Make sure you do that. I've been very, very easy when it's coming to grades for all this. I know everyone's under a stressful time, but you have to turn in at least one assignment for me to grade for the fourth 9 weeks. All right. Stay positive. Stay healthy. Hopefully you listened to me yesterday and you did a good deed. I went down to the food bank and helped out down there. Do something positive. Cut your neighbor's grass, rake up your neighbor's leaves, do some planting, help your parents, clean out the utensil drawer where all the forks and knives, clean that up, take out the garbage, do something positive. All right, stay positive, stay healthy, and as always, go Eagles. Bye-bye.